In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online with Google and AI. We'll walk through practical ways to turn AI tools and Google-powered workflows into real income, even if you're starting from scratch. First, build an AI content creation business. Use AI to draft TikTok scripts, YouTube Shorts ideas, blog posts, captions, voiceovers, and even thumbnails. Tools like ChatGPT help you brainstorm and write. Canva designs visuals, CapCut speeds up editing, and Google's AI tools, including Whisk AI, can assist with creative assets. Batch your content, keep a simple brand kit for consistency, and follow platform trends while maintaining your own voice. Next, sell digital products. Create templates, prompts, ebooks, Notion dashboards, planners, or social media packs, then list them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Validate with quick keyword research, design eye-catching mockups, and include clear usage rights. Start with one high-demand product, refine it with customer feedback, and build a small catalog over time. Offer freelance services and let AI help you work faster as a virtual assistant, copywriter, video editor, graphic designer, or social media manager. Find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or onlinejobs.ph. Lead with outcomes, add a short case study or sample portfolio, and outline turnaround times. Use AI for drafts and ideation, but always deliver polished, human-reviewed work. Consider a faceless YouTube channel. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, images, edits, and captions. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and your own digital products. Pick an evergreen niche, post consistently, and keep your footage and audio original enough to meet platform policies. Affiliate marketing is another fast path. Use AI to research angles, write short-form content, and repurpose across TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, and blogs. Join programs like TikTok Shop Affiliate, Amazon Associates, or regional marketplaces such as Shopee. Always disclose affiliations, focus on solving specific problems, and track what converts. You can also sell AI-generated art and designs, posters, wallpapers, t-shirt graphics, stickers, and printable art on Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Respect copyright and trademark rules, upscale images for print quality, and present multiple colorways or styles. Finally, build AI automation services for businesses. Set up chatbots, automated email flows, AI-assisted support, or content scheduling using tools like Zapier, Make, and Notion AI. Start with one clear workflow, price based on value delivered, and offer a maintenance plan. To speed up success, focus on one income stream first, post consistently, learn basic marketing, build an audience, use AI to save time rather than spam, and reinvest early profits in better tools. Great beginner options include launching AI-powered TikTok content, Pinterest affiliate promos, a faceless YouTube channel, simple AI ebooks, Canva templates, or VA services enhanced by AI. Helpful resources: ChatGPT, Canva's AI features, Google AI tools, and freelance marketplaces to land your first clients.